Hello friends, I'm Robin Feicht at Stampin' Country. Today I want to show you how to make these quick and easy gift card holders. They'll be fabulous for over the holidays for giving gift cards. They're super simple to make. I think you can make them in minutes. Let me show you how. They even come with their own little belly band to keep them together. We'll start with a piece of cardstock that's cut 8.5 by 3.5. And we'll score at 1.5 and 5 inches. Then we're going to turn it vertically and score at 1/2 inch and 3 inches. Super simple so far, right? Now you want to make a little pocket, so we're going to cut the 1/2 inch sides off, except for the very end where it's 1.5 inches. Cut at little angles to form your tab. We'll do this on both sides. And this is what it's going to look like when you're done. Let's round the corners. This is the detailed trio punch. Just love this. We're going to round the front corners. Now to make the pocket, fold it over. And you can use your bone folder to get crisp edges. We're going to use tear and tape adhesive. It's nice and strong to hold everything in place. I like these little tabs for making extra strong pockets, and the tear and tape helps too. I'm going to use my Take-A-Pick tool to just peel off the adhesive backing. This gift card holder really is super simple to make, but it's incredibly cute. And here's your pocket. We're going to use the Let It Snow designer paper. I cut a piece 1.25 by 2.25, and we put that on the front. We're going to use the Snowman Season stamp set and stamp the To From with blueberry bushel ink. That'll be on the inside, and we'll fold. We're ready for the outside. We're going to stamp with the Snowman Season and Pool Party ink. The cardstock itself is also Pool Party, so we're stamping Pool Party on Pool Party. Just making some little snowflakes. It'll give a nice little background. And then we're going to stamp Enjoy from the Cup of Christmas stamp set. We're going to use the blueberry bushel ink once again. Enjoy! So the gift card holder is basically done, but we want to make this cute belly band. This is real red cardstock that's 1 inch wide. You want to just fold it over. I prefer folding rather than scoring because you want to make sure that it's big enough to slide. So leave a little bit of room on the sides. Just going to adhere that with Tombow glue. We'll hold that in place for a minute. And then the little cup. It's from the Cup of Cheer dies. So we'll take the cup die, and I cut from the Let It Snow designer paper. And it has these really cute little snowmen. And we'll just place that on our belly band. You don't want to put the adhesive anywhere except on the red belly band. That'll slide on and off. Hope you enjoyed this video, and go make some gift card holders. If you did enjoy it, be sure to like, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much, and have a fabulous day.